Okay, let's start with IELTS speaking part 1. Yeah.
Do you enjoy your current stage of life?
Yes, very much. I love how I'm at peace now after 5 years of my college. Now I've got much spare time to do what the things I love.
Okay, that's good. Just try to practice and become fluent, because at the moment you're speaking word by word, 2 3 words, then there is a break, then 2 3 words, and you're speaking thoughtfully. So try to answer in one go. Yes.
In what stage of your life were you the happiest?
Well, I think it was back in 2021 when I secured first position among 11 universities. So it was the happiest moment of my life when I received the gold medal.
Excellent, very good. And at the end, one sentence conclusion. So to answer your question, that was the best time of my life. One sentence conclusion, okay? Let's go on.
Which stage of your life do you think is the most important?
Well, I think this current stage of my life is most important because I'm done with my graduate studies and I'm going to pursue further in masters in musculoskeletal management in a foreign country. So I think this phase is going to be the most important phase that will define the rest of my life.
Fantastic. This is very good. So just answer like that. One more question if you have.
What's your plan for your next stage of life?
Well, as I have mentioned previously, that I want to move from Pakistan to the UK, particularly because there's much scope for physiotherapists there, and I would like to. This is.
That's okay. That's okay. So just practice these topics time and again. All the topics you have, just practice them. Nothing should be new for you. And in actual exam also, it's going to be one of these topics. So practice them time and again. You'll be fine. Right? Thank you. No problem.